In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage your mailing list in Mailchimp. Let's dive in and make your email marketing journey a breeze. First, launch your preferred web browser like Chrome and log in to your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but today we're just focusing on setting up an audience for those of you who already have an account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Mailchimp dashboard. Look over to the left side of your screen and click on the Audience tab. Mailchimp organizes contacts into what they call audiences, which is essentially your mailing list. Don't worry if you find this term confusing at first. It's just a way of putting all your contacts under one umbrella for your email campaigns. So what if you don't have an audience yet? Well, this is your blank canvas and the perfect time to create one. Click on Create Audience. This will bring you to a new page where you'll need to provide a few details. First, give your audience a unique name. This helps differentiate it from any other list you might want to create in the future. Next, you'll need to input a default email address. This is important because it's where replies from your recipients will land. Make sure it's an address you regularly check. Additionally, fill in any necessary contact information about your organization. Accurate details are crucial here as they lend credibility to your communications. Once your basic details are locked in, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty, setting up your form fields and opt-in settings. Form fields dictate what information you'll gather from your subscribers. Consider what data you need, maybe just a name and email, or perhaps more details like a phone number or birthday if it enhances your marketing strategy. Mailchimp allows you to tailor this to fit your needs. Equally important are the opt-in settings. Decide if subscribers will join your audience automatically or if they'll need to confirm via an email, known as double opt-in. Double opt-in adds a layer of security, ensuring the emails you're collecting are valid and subscribers genuinely want to engage with your content. Having set up your fields and preferences, ensure you save your work. Saving your new mailing list is a vital step, otherwise all your hard work might become a distant memory. With your audience saved, you're ready to start adding contacts. Initially, you may manually input a few contacts, but as your list grows, you'll likely explore importing them from a CSV file for efficiency. And that's it. You're now ready to launch your email marketing campaigns with confidence, knowing your